Welcome to Zenith Mind. This is your 5-minute anxiety reset. A quick return to clarity, calm, and inner balance. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and gently releasing it out. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension. Inhale steady, exhale heavy. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your jaw loosen. Feel your mind begin to soften. You are safe in this moment. Imagine a small cloud sitting above your head. This cloud holds every anxious thought, every worry, every feeling of being overwhelmed. Now picture a soft breeze gently blowing through it. The cloud begins to dissolve, slowly, quietly, naturally. Your mind becomes lighter. Your breath becomes deeper. Your body becomes calmer. Place one hand on your chest or simply bring awareness to your heart. Feel the steady rhythm inside you. This rhythm is your anchor, your inner stability that anxiety can never take away. I am safe in this moment. My mind is slowing down. Peace is returning to me now. Let the words settle like warm light spreading through your chest. Take a slow breath in for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Let the tension melt away. Again. Inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Release everything. Your body is shifting into calm. Your nervous system is resetting. You are taking back control of your inner world. Imagine a circle of soft golden light forming around you. This light protects your mind. It gives you space to breathe, to think, to feel calm again. Inside this light, you are supported. Inside this light, you can handle anything. I choose calm. I choose clarity. I choose peace. Take one final deep breath, letting calm fill your entire body. And as you slowly exhale, release whatever is left. You are lighter. You are calmer. You are back in control. Thank you for resetting your mind with Zenith Mind frequencies. Carry this calm with you. for the rest of your day.